right, you all get ready to judge me because my house is a disaster area. After a very busy week and kids running crazy, this is what the house looks like. Like, oh my gosh, it's a hot freaking mess. And please ignore our beds on the floors. We just literally moved, and the guys that brought my bed in took it apart and could not put it back together. But that's the bathroom. Hot mess, hot mess. We definitely got to clean up. Like, oh my gosh. And the kids have chips in the hall. Like, look at their room. We clean their room daily. And at the end of the day, this is what we have all the time. And I mean, every single day. He's built something with his headboard to their beds. Still literally looking for the frames to go to their beds. Kohl's delivered them with no frames. And yeah, I paid like $100, and that's not what I was expecting. I didn't expect to just get a headboard, but we're on our way downstairs. Yeah, so this is the kitchen. Kids got their clothes on the floor, shoes, garbage, all that good stuff. The counters are a mess. I'll let you know now. Like, it's stuff everywhere. Ew, disgusting, hot mess. Yeah, you guys judge me, judge me, judge me. But yeah, we're just trying to get it clean. This is how it always looks at the end of the week. It just gets so hectic. I'm on my own here, doing this on my own. Two kids, jobs, college, all that. It's a lot. It's a lot. And they broken up styrofoam on my carpet in the living room. Like, it was everywhere, but I swept it into a circle. I'm going to go ahead and put the music on so we can get to vibing and cleaning. You guys enjoy the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And ignore my hot mess of a head because it's looking toe up. guys, if you have made it this far, you are the real MVP because it took me a long time to get all that done. Like, seriously, I didn't even record me cleaning the boys' room or their bathroom. None of that. I didn't record me cleaning my room or none of that, but I was able to get it done. The kitchen is completed. Um, let's see, floor is mopped, trash is taken out. Everything is everything. Okay, I feel so much better when my house is clean. Like y'all, the boys were going to bed, but I still came in here anyways, just to show that their room is clean. They organize their own toys. They have so many toys. We need to get them a chest. Like when I moved, I threw away literally everything in our old house. So we are seriously like in the middle of rebuilding. We moved in a hurry. So that's the reason why furniture is light, but your girl is on the grind. So furniture will be in soon. You guys stay tuned for that. I'll definitely do a video when I get it and it comes in. But the bathroom is clean, really, really clean. Everything clean, tub clean, everything clean. The scrub, the dubbed, everything. Yup. And I am done for the day. So I leaps into the bed like wham, bam, kadam. Here I am. Wow. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.